Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. Indian entrepreneur Pranjali Avasthi has founded an AI company called Delve.ai with an impressive valuation of rupees 100 crore. Delve.ai's mission is to facilitate researchers access to information from online content reflecting Avasthi's entrepreneurial journey that began at the young age of 7. She furthered her expertise by joining an AI startup accelerator in Miami, culminating in the beta launch of Delve.ai and an estimated valuation of $12 million. Avasthi's dedication to her company led her to defer her college plans, underscoring her commitment to innovation and the pursuit of her entrepreneurial vision. Next, we have Swiggy, a leading food delivery platform in India, has unveiled a new membership program called Swiggy One Lite, available for Rs 99 for 3 months. This program offers a range of benefits including free deliveries, exclusive offers and discounts, promising an average six-fold return on investment across food delivery, Instamart and Genie services. Swiggy One Lite also extends a 10% discount on Genie deliveries over Rs 60, enhancing its appeal to users seeking value-added perks. This initiative follows Swiggy's successful partnerships with telecom and banking brands, aligning with its strategy to provide exceptional value to customers. Microsoft is poised to introduce its inaugural AI chip at its annual developers conference, signaling a significant stride in reducing reliance on external hardware providers like Nvidia and augmenting its AI capabilities. This chip has undergone years of development and is tailored for use in data centers, servers, and powering AI features within Microsoft's suite of productivity applications. Simultaneously, Microsoft is on track to finalize its $69 billion acquisition of gaming giant Activision Blizzard by October 13th, pending approval from the UK antitrust regulator. This acquisition would mark a historic moment in the gaming industry, combining Microsoft's strong console presence with Activision's renowned gaming titles such as Call of Duty and World of Warcraft, underlining Microsoft's commitment to growth and innovation. Google is experimenting with a streamlined variant of the search generative experience SG, aiming to deliver a more subtle AI-generated answer box. The lightweight version of SG features a smaller, more concise answer box with a prominent Show More button. Google is likely to roll out this light version unless it proves to be revenue neutral or positive. The simplified interface and layout of the light version have received praise from some users, potentially shaping the future of Google search. Next, we have the European Union is conducting an assessment to determine if Microsoft's Bing and Apple's iMessage should fall under new tech regulations defined by the Digital Markets Act. In an effort to gather crucial insights, the EU has initiated questionnaires directed at business rivals and users, seeking to understand the significance of Bing, iMessage, and related services compared to alternatives. The questionnaire also delves into the role of these services within their respective ecosystems and the size of their user bases. This development follows reported objections from Microsoft and Apple regarding the classification of Bing and iMessage as fundamental platform services under the Digital Markets Act. The EU aims to conclude its inquiry within 5 months, aligning with its broader efforts to establish regulatory frameworks for technology giants. Google is enhancing email communication in Gmail by introducing emoji reactions for Android and iOS users. This feature enables users to express themselves quickly and playfully in informal emails, infusing a touch of charm into digital correspondence. Emojis often convey emotions and sentiments more effectively than words, making them suitable for various situations from reserving hotels to sharing childhood memories. Users can look forward to using emoji reactions on both mobile and desktop Gmail clients, promoting a more engaging and expressive email experience. At last, Lenovo is reportedly working on an Android-based version of its ThinkCentre M70A all-in-one PC, marking a departure from the Windows OS. The ThinkCentre M70A is expected to be a standout offering in its category, running on the Android OS, which enjoys global popularity in the smartphone market. The Android version of the ThinkCentre M70A aims to extend its reach into enterprise applications catering to customers in retail and hospitality sectors. Android's simplicity is anticipated to enhance dynamics and functionality, offering a focused work tool that minimizes distractions and complexity for heightened productivity. This development highlights the potential for Android OS to gain traction in the PC market, capitalizing on its user-friendly interface and versatility. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के देखो हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक? ये आईफोन वालों ने भी नई एक्सेसरी दी है क्या इसके साथ में?
भाई एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट एप्पल स्टोर से नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को ये।
अरे वाह भाई, इनको बोल ये तो फ्री में दे, इसकी तो बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है।
हाँ भाई आईफोन का ठंडक की गारंटी।
अरे वाह,